just breezily go through this because learners, they mostly would know. So you can just mention, as you already know, there are two types of modules. There's a reading and writing section. Module 1 will have 27 questions. Again, module 2 will have 27 questions. 32 minutes will be given for each of these modules. So you can always mention. All right. Like, you don't have to get into the details of this. You can just touch base on the key points. So here you can say that, so this is how the syllabus looks like. There are questions from crafts and structure. These questions would mainly focus on vocabulary, reasoning, evaluation of the text. Then there's information and ideas, which will also focus on comprehension skills, whether you're understanding the passage or not. And also there's a focus on grammar and punctuation as well. Next, when you click on this, the background that I'm using, you will also be using the same background during your mock as well. So click on this, you will get that background. Okay, make sure that you have that background. Remember, we are not going to sit like this. We're not going to rest our hands on our, rest our face on our hands, because that also shows a kind of disinterest. We are not going to do that. We are going to make sure that we are energetic for our sessions, and we are going to give off that same energy to the learners as well. Okay. Next is, this is how the entire 1 hour session has been divided. However, you do not have to follow these time frames on a strict basis. I am telling you roughly, if you do this, this is going to help you. So the first 7 minutes could be 7 to 8 minutes could be knowing the learner, getting to know, building the bond, or talking to the parent, a quick check-in with the parent. And then next 40 to 45 minutes would be solving the questions, explaining the concepts. And then the rest of the 10 to 12 minutes maximum will be parent conversation. Make sure that broadly you follow that pattern. Understood? And again, any questions till this much?
Yeah, I just want to ask about the platform demonstration. The 3 minutes are given to platform demonstration, right?
Right.
So
I
what is
will
that?
show it to you. Platform
Okay.
demonstration is, you can, so that learn.ai catalyst, learn.ai.com, the link that I had shared, you can keep that link open and quickly share with the parent that once you enroll, this is the portal that your child will have access to, and he or she can take tests for these various segments. It's not the entire test for all the segments. So let's say, from what I can understand, let's say if I'm the learner, Mona Lisa is good with grammar, but she requires a little bit of hand holding in inference type questions or craft and structure. So if you go to this mini test section, you will be able to, or Mona Lisa will be able to do it. So you're just
Okay.
giving them a brief outlook of it. Understood?
And in the platform, like most of the students will be coming after giving this diagnostic test, right?
Yes, correct.
And first, I will be asking questions about this diagnostic test only, right? How
Yes,
much?
that is if they have taken. If they have not, you can say, okay, have you taken any mock SAT
Okay.
test? Is there any SAT test that you're going to take? Is there any date that's been fixed?
Okay.
Why do you want to take SAT? Because you need to understand
Yeah.
that. Based on that, you can frame the entire session as well.
Understood.
Okay. Any
Yeah.
further questions?
No.
All right, great. Uh, just a second. After this, so this is the same session, how the session is divided. Next is the class structure, which I mentioned. So mentor introduction, the introduction of the student, a little bit of rapport building, bonding with the parent and the student, greeting. So this is how the outline of the session should be. Again, same thing, diagnostic test discussion if required, if there is any. Session goals, as in what are the areas that you would want me to work with? Why are you taking the SAT? Okay, understood. Next, again, understanding SAT English, so that the format that I shared, you can also breezily share that format, because
Mm.
learners or students, they will already know the format. So just go through it. Do not have to go through it in detail, because that is going to eat up more time. Our main
Okay.
focus will be to start with the concepts, explanations and problem solving, and then the parent conversation towards the end. Understood?
Yeah.
Next up is discussion of problem areas and solving questions. Encourage the Always encourage the students to read
read.
out the questions, then discuss the topics, because that will give them the understanding of the topics. Okay. Next, always tally the answers from the passage. This is something I'm sure that you've been doing. So it's the same drill that you'll be doing here. Again, any doubts till this much?
No.
Okay, all right. After this is the class structure. Remember, Disha, our main objective is not to make the learner attempt all the questions and getting it right. It is to discuss, then attempt the question, and then again discussion as to what went wrong or what went right. Understood? So even if a learner gives you the correct answer, you need to understand, or you need to ask the learner why that is the correct answer. Yes, that is the correct answer, but why do you think that is the correct answer? Why the rest of the options are not correct or they are incorrect? Understood? Again, class structure, discuss the important strategies to solve the missed questions. So remember, this you can do through the problem solving questions. Also, you can also mention that there are some common mistakes that we make. How to avoid those common mistakes. For a little advanced learner, you can go ahead and share your own set of questions if you think that, okay, the learner is being able, like they are able to grasp things very easily, just to give them a little more challenge. Next is that the platform demonstration. So keep the platform open. So here you kind of wrap up, you keep the platform open, you share it with the parent. After you have shared the feedback with the parent, then you again share the screen and share it with the parent and the learner. Okay. Next is you can assign, so there will be like a PDF, a test paper. You can assign it to the learner, share it with the learner. A wrap up. So this wrap up can happen when you are wrapping up the session with the learner. Okay. 5-minute parent discussion. Always remember that. And then again, always introduce yourself. It should not be that the parent should know who you are. You're here, you're a mentor, you're a SAT mentor working in Catalyst for English. Mention these things. And in the conclusion, always give that confidence and assurance to the parents as well as to the learners. Is this much clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Again, the same thing, platform. How to go about it.
So this platform is Catalyst or Codeyoung? I think it's...
The platform is Codeyoung, but we say it's the Catalyst portal. Okay. All right, just in case if you're not familiar with the Zoom, with the Zoom functions, here's a brief tutorial. Okay, please go through it. Again, like I mentioned, there will be 2 mocks. Ideally, I would want you to clear the first mock so that I can, give you, make you go forward for the rest. And these will be the evaluation criteria: class setup and etiquettes, warm-up, subject matter knowledge, teaching methodology, communication skills, comfortable use of the teaching resources and platform, class flow, parent communication, and time management. Very, very important, Disha. Remember. Again, any questions till this much?
Yeah, like you were saying that you have given me one more PPT or PDF in which there is the questions which I have to explain, right?
Yes.
So I was just saying there are 90 slides or so. So in 45 minutes, like the real time will be 45 in which I will be teaching in the mock.
Yes.
So in that, how many slides should I cover? Because I can go as slow as I want and as fast as. So what is the expectation from your side? That is what I'm asking.
So in the mock, I just would want you to cover any 2 questions. Okay, and then we will move on to the parent conversation. But in a real demo as well, it's not that you will have to cover all the 96 slides. That is why I told you, try to cover all the segments, one question from each of the segment. Otherwise, at least 2 segments should be covered. Simple as that. Understood? Always remember, it's not, see, when you see a demo and then there are 96 slides, pressure is always there that how am I supposed to complete the entire thing? That's why I mentioned, always make sure that you are covering at least your touch, you will touch base all 3 segments or at least 2 segments, touch make sure that you touch base 2 segments. Understood?
Okay.
Now I
Yeah,
will,
it can be
yes,
inference, or suppose I'm touching on one inference
yes,
question and another one is punctuation. So
absolutely.
yeah,
So
this is
that's why first you give the learner the option which segment they want to do, and then you can choose the second segment from your end.
okay. Okay.
Understood? So I'm also going to walk you through this so that it gets easier for you as well.
And
That
like in math section, I could see that they were providing some videos, so I will be getting those.
I think that those were videos of the training.
Okay. I
Okay.
think they were like, I was just listening, I just overheard. So they were saying that these are the videos of like somebody who has given demo. So is it
I will
something
see
like
if I can give you. I will definitely give it.
okay for English? Like I
Yeah,
just
for
wanted to.
English. Correct, correct. I will see if I can. I'll definitely share it with
Okay, sure.
you. Okay, so this is the demo PPT which you're going to present in the demo in front of the learners and also in front of me. Okay,
Okay.
so let's quickly go through this. Again, these are some of the questions that you can share with the learner. Make sure that's how you bond with the learner. Again, what are the main topics in SAT or DSAT? What is the structure like?
Mm,
Okay, the same thing. What are we going to learn today? What are the learning objectives here?
okay.
Next part would be the domains and the structure. So again, the overview of SAT. You can mention that I'm sure that you know it, but still we'll
Mm,
quickly go through this and then you can
mm.
breezily go through this. Same thing. These are the 3 segments that I'm talking about. So you can ask the learner to choose from here, for any one segment, and then you can also choose from the rest.
Okay,
So
so I'll be asking like, what do you want to choose? Do you want me
yes,
to do
correct.
some passages or grammar rules or some
Right,
punctuation?
right, correct. Okay, the same thing.
Yeah.
Next. Here, then you start off, and then there are these passages with explanation.
Yeah, yeah.
Remember, every segment has the explanation as well as to why the answer which is correct and why the rest are not. So be careful about that when you're explaining. Go through this in advance. These has a lot, this entire PPT has a lot of questions. Okay, so go through them, and then towards the end, you can straight away go to the end after solving the questions, talk to them about this platform, share the platform to the parents, like I mentioned. And you can also ask them to you can download this resource and share it with them as well. Okay, understood?
Okay.
Any questions till this much?
No. So this last, what you were telling me was this Catalyst one
Yeah,
link that I'll be opening via that link as after presenting this particular PPT. After that, I'll be sharing that, right?
yes, yes.
Okay, understood. And like after this round, what are the rounds which will be happening? If you can give some idea. Like if the
Say it
mock
again.
is, if suppose the mock is cleared, then what are the rounds which are happening between?
After the mock is clear, you will be given a module which you will have to take into consideration and solve. And after that, I think your technical training of the platform will begin, and then you can go live. Okay.
Okay, okay, understood. And
So
also,
on
I'm
one,
not
yes, go
available
ahead.
on Monday.
Okay, then we can have it on Tuesday.
Wednesday would work if possible, because I
Sure.
usually have sessions during the daytime.
We can do it in the evening. We can connect at
No,
6 p.m.
on Monday and Tuesday not available. On Wednesday I can
All right. Remind me on Tuesday so that we will have the mock on Wednesday.
Wednesday. Okay,
Okay. All right.
okay. Thank you. I'll be just sharing the time of that
Yes,
on
please.
Wednesday.
Thank you.
Then we can
Sure.
mutually agree on WhatsApp once.
Absolutely. Not a problem. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
fine. Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.